Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today we're here in the garage, not so much doing work to the Countach because this is my weekend off where I'm just taking a break, but just kind of going over a few things that we're going to be taking care of the next time in the garage as we get ready to redo the doors and the wing. I have with me my son Isaac, who also has a YouTube channel, if you want to tell them about it real quick before we get started.
So my channel is called GamesN Fun. It's G, capital G, A, okay, let me restart because alright, it's capital G, A-M-E-S, the letter N, capital, space, F-U-N.
And we'll write it across the bottom, so you have the spelling, and then there's also going to be a link appearing across the top right now, where if you click on that, that'll also take you directly to his channel.
I do a lot of gaming, like Fortnite, Minecraft, Rocket League, Hungry Shark, and then there's a couple of me doing like dances and other stuff from Fortnite, but majority it's gaming, and like my dad said, there's a link, so.
Okay, well he's going to help me today as we go around and just kind of identify the things that we're going to be modifying the next time in the garage as we get ready to paint. So let's get started.
Okay. So guys, right now I'm closing the door because next week, right here, my dad is going to be doing a video about modifying the handle, and so we're going to be talking about that, right? All right,
here's the handle. I finally got the vinyl off. In our last video, I was having a little bit of an issue with that. Wound up finally being able to get that off. And as you can see here, the shape is slightly different than on the real Countach. The bottom piece, the way it kind of swoops like that is perfect. The upper one is fine here, but then that straight piece is not accurate. And also the way how it's rounded is not accurate. The real Countach goes about an inch further, and it comes more to a squared off edge that kind of tapers all the way flat with the body and kind of comes in gradually. So next weekend, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that out to the right shape, and I may add a little bit of a swoop right in there to match the original, or I might leave it. I don't know, I have to see, but I'm definitely going to be squaring it off right there and having it actually come right flush with the body, and I'll get a close-up of that for you. Okay, so here's a close-up here, and this is all accurate. It's just as you come right here, as you can see, it has this little edge right here. The real one did not have that. The real one actually came, as you can see right here, how I drew that extra inch. It came a little bit thinner of a point with a squared off edge, and this actually came completely on an angle and then met the body. So as you're looking from the outside, it came in and then curved in and then into this indentation. It didn't have this drastic flat edge right here that was rounded, so we're going to be getting rid of that. And that's on both sides.
So guys, right now I will be talking about these emblems on the back. So the bull, the Lamborghini, and the Countach, the words, not the actual car, were used on a real Lamborghini. The S was not, but the bull is pretty cool because it sticks out and all, but this is actually how they were laid out on the real Lamborghini Countach. And in my opinion, my favorite is probably the S because I like how it zigzags. But yeah, that's a little bit about the emblems.
All right, we're back here now looking at the wing. In the last video I did when I was in the garage last weekend, I mentioned how I have these supports here, lifting the wing up approximately an inch to put it in line with the roof. Well, I was completely off on that. We just took some measurements. The roof is 43 inches right on point, which is what the original Countach was. Now, these wheels, the profiles are too thick, so that's actually going to be about an inch lower when the real tires go on there, so it's going to be more like 42 inches, which is more in line with the low bodies. Anyway, I thought that this was lower than the roof because that's how the perception was, but after getting some measurements, this is actually 45 and a half inches high, and that's 43, so this is 2.5 inches higher. So yeah. Basically, this block is going away and I'm going back to the right height. And then Isaac wanted to talk a little bit about the wing just from his own personal opinion of the wing.
I actually, in my opinion, like the Countach without the wing. Because...
Which I know a lot of people, like Jay Leno, other people that have Countachs agree with that also, because the wing basically serves no point. I personally like it because it adds to the original iconic look, but anyway, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's right. So anyways, I like without the wing because like it's cool how like the car comes up and then down again, but with the wing it's like up and then like I don't really like it because it makes it kind of look like an airplane or like a spaceship. But it is kind of cool because like it comes up and then to a point, and then these on the side like extra are cool. But in my opinion, I like it without the wing, and like my dad said, these should go up.
Yep, and they will be going away next weekend, which is a good thing because that's one less thing that I need to modify as we prep this thing for paint.
But I won't be in that video.
All right, let's head to the front and show one last thing that we want to talk about before we wrap up.
So guys, as you can tell, it's the front of the Lamborghini here, and usually right under the license plate, there's supposed to be a spoiler, but the former owner went over a speed bump and it got ripped off, sadly. So we will be remaking it. Don't know if I'll be in that video, but it's a definite that we will be making it again, but out of polycarbonate.
All right, guys, well, that pretty much wraps up this quick time here in the garage. We just kind of wanted to highlight what's coming up. So, thank you, Isaac, for being in the video. Once again, check out his channel. The link is shown above.
And remember, it's GAMES, capital N, oh yeah, that's capital G, space FUN.
Yep.
And
Games and Fun. And he does video games. He does some other non-video games, but it's mainly video games, as his shirt says Fortnite on it.
yeah. But I was thinking of adding to my channel some other kinds of videos, like try not to laugh and all.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people like them.
So, I hope this video was informative to you. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate the support. Please like this video, subscribe to his channel as well. That would be appreciated too. So Isaac, why don't you go ahead and start the car, and then we'll go ahead and back it out. We'll open the door for you.
Alright, can I have keys, please?
Yep.
Alright, so guys, I'll be starting the car here. Stick the key in. Oh gosh. Right here. And